Hey y'all, and welcome back to Color Me Crafty by Pink. I'm Jamila, and today I'm going to walk you through how to make these fun name or word decals in Cricut Design Space, and also how to put them together once you've finished. If you're new here, welcome, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the bell notification so you don't miss a tutorial. And when you're done watching this video, I'd love for you to drop me a comment and throw me a like. Let's get into it. So start with a blank window in Cricut Design Space and go ahead and click on text and add your text layer. You can add whatever name or words that you want. I chose my niece's name, Naya. I was going to write her name out, Shania, at first, but then I decided to go back and just type in her nickname, which is Naya. Next, you want to go ahead and go up and choose your font. Anybody who follows me knows that this part takes me forever because I have so many fonts. Once you've found a font that you like, you can go ahead and fix the spacing how you want to. Cricut has the new kerning feature, but sometimes it doesn't work entirely. Like sometimes some of the letters are still pretty spaced out. Go ahead and resize your wording to the size that you want, and then click on the offset. And if you move the little ball or whatever up and down the bar, you can see what your offset is going to look like, and you can also just type in the numbers, but it's easier just to move the slider. Once you have the font that you like, you can go ahead and move on to cutting. I'm going to cut this out in 2 different colors of holographic vinyl. I am using my Maker 3 for this, so I'm choosing on matte, and I'm just choosing the premium vinyl setting. Once you have it all cut out, you can go ahead and get ready to layer it. I'm using parchment paper to layer it, and then this cool new weeding instrument tool. I love this thing. So go ahead and get everything weeded out, that you get all of your vinyl weeded so that it's ready to go when you are. When I am layering for vinyl decals, I actually use a lint roller, a pet lint roller, to pick it up, and this is the one I use, the Scotch-Brite one. I'll go ahead and link that one below. But you want to take your topmost layer first and just pull off a sheet of the lint roller and place it over top, and using your scraper, go ahead and scrape on the front and back of your design. Once you're confident that you've gotten it scraped pretty good, then you can just go ahead and remove the paper backing from the lint sheet, or remove the design from the paper backing. Grab a piece of parchment paper, and you're going to use that in between your topmost layer and the next layer. You just place it on there. Place your top layer onto the parchment paper, and you guys can't see this very well, but looking at it, I can see where to line it up, and I left a little bit of the transfer sticker exposed so that I can get the parchment paper out pretty easily. Once you remove your parchment paper from the design, use your scraper again to make sure that each layer sticks to each other very well. And from there, you can either put it on something Like I put it on a cup, or you can clean up the edges of the paper to give or sell as a